is Casey David. So today I am going to show you my mystery slime that I bought in Chennai. So it is very nice. In that only I'll show the magic. So it will actually, this one is so nice. Okay, this one is like unicorn. Yeah, see, unicorn. Unicorn. Okay, so it's actually a unicorn slime. Now we'll put in this bowl and try to make that magic, or else we'll try to play with this. In my Casey in Wonderland, yeah, in Casey in Wonderland, this is Casey in Rachel in Wonderland family. So today we are going to make a unicorn something. So I told firstly, this is Casey and Rachel in Wonderland family video. You go to next, you just see in Casey in Wonderland that I'm making this slime. Okay, go see that. Now it came, guys, and we'll put it in the bowl. See, I put it in the bowl. The bowl is showing. And or dishum kutala, and see, it is even. And so if you want to make it the flat, see, this white color will pop down. If you see any slime that like this, it will be no, but it will fall. We can't fix it. Show me. Show me. Show me. If we want to do some slime, if you do, it can't. If this like this, it is like this. It is there means it will fall. We can't fix it again. So it may be go. It is not a right slime like this. This yellow color. This yellow color is if it is here also, we see it fell, and again I'm putting it came. See, it is not falling again. Okay, guys. Let's just, when you're taking, just don't cut it. It will be like this. No, just take it like that. Then only you are easy to do like this. Okay, and just do like this. When it is getting even, just put it in a bowl. See, everything are falling. So I'm just going to put it.
Dress it to see.
Yeah. Okay. See, guys, it is like this. No. See, I put. See. Nice, no? Now the big bubble is going to come now. See. Just see. No. When like in this, the hole will be here also. It can see. Here also it can be. Here also it can be. If any even in here also it can hole be. If the hole is B means like this, bubble will not come. It will just go down. Like if balloon, if you put air, it will go down only. No, it will not come proper. No. So like this one, that is like that only. This is. Nice, no? Now let's pop this and see if the hole is coming. I don't know. Hole did not come. The bubble came fully. Even my mom is seeing from there. Oh my God! My God, it's very nice. So I'm just going to remove. When you're going to remove, just remove slowly. The white particles will come out. Okay, so don't need to waste the white particles. Puff girls. I'll just show the cameraman. This is the cameraman. This is the cameraman. Now, you take me. Okay, you saw. Actually, that is not a cameraman. It's my sister. Oh, pink. And if you, I'll try once again like that. If the like three, show me. Like 3 times. If you do 3 times, the white particles came. I'll just do again that and see. Just I'll put here and I'll just even it.
How many times? How many times are you? I'll click.
No. Now see guys, it came like this, no? So you bang. So you just take it like that only. See, it came like this. So even it came. Now just spread out. Now இப்போ spread out பண்ணும்போது like if we spread out like this, you have to make it very carefully. Now I told no, I forgot to tell this only. We have to take like this slowly. See, slowly we have to do. That means this like white particles will come out evenly. Oh no, it should not come. Okay, I'll say you one thing. You know Roja serial? You know Roja serial? So in Roja, your hand is coming. You know Roja serial, guys? So Roja serial, I went to shooting. Like in Roja serial, I did going to their home, like doing for their puja, like that I went. So I'll just went to the Roja shooting. I'll just show the video. If the Roja is there, I have Roja number also, you know. And what to tell, I don't know. Wait, just will take the white particles and will do. Now see, puff, it came. That's all is the video. And after I'm saying that, I would like to say, just don't click, okay guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you next time guys, bye. So I'll just show in the one more video, like Casey in Music in Wonderland. I'll show in Music in Wonderland. I just went to Roja shooting, and that all I'll show. Okay guys, see the stretch. My cat, just see this. Nice, no? My cameraman is laughing. My sister. Puff Girls. We'll show the Puff Girls, guys. Just see the Puff Girls. The Puff Girls. Come. Come here. She's the Puff Girls. And me is the Puff Girls. So I just like to play in the slime. So Rachel will not actually. Her name is Geeta. And my one more. My name is Casey. And this cameraman's name is. This my small sister name is Geeta, and my one more sister name is also there. Her name is Bhavani. Okay, so she's actually.
Your name?
My name. What you're asking? Actually, this Rate is, I don't know. I'll just show in the camera. I don't know what is the rate here. It's like 300 something they put. So just I'll show in the camera. Just see.
It's just yeah.
I don't know what is the rate.
I'll click.
Now just see.
Yeah, how many times to hold? Yeah, from hand.
Okay, and don't forget to like, subscribe.